Welcome to all. Last session will be discussed regarding the setting out simple curve by offset from long chord. Uh, Today's session is a session number 13. That is a setting out a simple curve by Rankin's method using a theodolite. First set out the instrument exactly over the station point, that is a intersection point V, having a chain age 2500 meters and radius of curve 20 meters and deflection angle 50 degree. After setting the instrument exactly over the intersection point V, make all the temporary adjustments such as centering, leveling and elimination of the parallax. Afterwards, make the vernier A reads 0 degree, 0 minute and 0 second using a upper clamp and lower clamping screw. Clamp the upper clamp and release the lower clamp. Sight the straight, that is a VA. Now sighting the straights VA. Now reads the reading, that is a 0 degree, 0 minute and 0 second, that is a VA. Straight VA, that is a reading 0 degree, 0 minute and 0 second. After making the afterwards transit the theodolite, set the deflection angle 50 degree and mark the straight VB. After marking a straight VA and VB, mark the tangent points on a straight VA, that is at T1 at a distance 9.326 from V, that is a tangent points T1 9.326, as well as VT2 same distance, that is a 9.326, that is a tangent point T2 9.326. After marking tangent points T1 and T2, set the instrument at the tangent points T1 and make all the temporary adjustments. Clamp the lower one, unclamp the upper clamp. Set the vernier A reads 0 degree, 0 minute and 0 second and clamp the upper clamp. Now set the vernier A reads the 0 degree, 0 minute and 0 second. After clamping the upper clamp, release the upper clamp, reads the vernier A reads 0 degree and release the lower one. Release the lower clamp. Sight the station intersection point V. And clamp the lower clamp. After sighting a intersection point V, now reads a vernier A reads 0 degree and clamp the lower clamping screw. Now reads 0 degree, 0 minute and 0 second and set the vernier A to deflection angle delta 1 degree 54 minute 20 second. After setting the deflection angle delta 1, mark the first subchord, last subchord, and number of normal chords. Now after setting the deflection angle delta 1, deflection angle delta 1, mark the first subchord, that is at a 1.32 meters from T1. So now the line of sight in the direction of T1D. Hold the zero end of the tape at T1 and other end 1.32 meter, that is a length of first subchord, 1.32 meters. Draw an arc 1.32. Draw an arc. It cuts the line of sight T1D at C1. Similarly, mark the other normal chords C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8. So now I'll be marking the, that is a last C delta 9. Set the delta 9 and mark at the point C9. So set the last deflection angle, that is a 25 degree 0 minute and 40 second. Hold the zero end of the tape at C9 and 1.13 meters. And cut the line of sight at T2, exactly at T2, 1.32, not 1.32, sorry, 0.13 meters. It cuts the line of sight at T2. After marking all the points T1, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9 and T2, join all the points. Join all the points. We will get a smooth curve. See here, in this case, set out in the simple curve by using a theodolite, not using a chain and tape, by using a theodolite. So that is also called as a Rankine's method. So you will get the smooth curve. Join all the points T1 to T2. Last point C9 to T2. T1 to T2, there is a length of long chord. T1V, that is called tangent length 9.326. C5, C4, C5, C6, C7, 8, 9, last C, after C9, last point T2. Thank you.